fill your room up with some roses. Wanna stare in those eyes, get lost in them. Now trust me, this not just a phase. If it goes well, there might just be a wedding ring. Wanna fill your cup with some morning coffee. Wanna tell you all the promises I wanna keep. Wanna wrap my arms around you, give you the warmth you need. So can you take this chance? I want you, girl, grab my hand. I don't wanna be stuck in a situationship. Just let me know I'm down to risk it all. I don't like temporary love. Seeing all these couples while I'm scrolling through the gram. Thomas and Zendaya, I want all of that romance. Give you what you need, not what you want. I don't like temporary love. I don't like temporary.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. So I switched out of my loungewear and that was kind of a mini montage of my morning. Today's video, I'm sharing my life as a content creator and a small business owner. Today is Thursday and I chose today because usually before work we would do a little bit of fun things, so I'm excited to take you along. But this is how it basically is like on a normal day basis during the week for me. If you haven't been to my channel yet, welcome. My name is Holly from Life with Holly Lifestyles. I'm so excited to share with you my life as an entrepreneur and my tips and tricks for business. And I share a lot of desk productivity and lifestyle videos, so if you're interested in any of that or all of that, make sure you subscribe. Without further ado, let's get in. As you see in my montage, usually I just get up and then I get started with my coffee. I've been incorporating breakfast and coffee together with the hubby, and that way we can be eating 3 meals a day and right before lunch. And after spending a little bit of time together, usually 30 minutes to an hour, I would then get to work. I usually work on my content creation stuff for 2 to 3 hours, depending on when I wake up, and then I start heading to the office. If you didn't know, I own a small business called Point Hun. We sell customizable planners and stationery for all your stationery lovers. We also have a lot of desk accessories, so that is my main gig. And then on the side, I do this channel. I share on TikTok and Instagram. Make sure to check me out if you haven't already. And that's kind of what I do. So usually in the morning, I am replying to emails most of the time. And then if it is sunny, like today, I'll be filming and editing videos. I try to batch as many videos as I can so I can have it out within 1 or 2 weeks, so that if it isn't sunny during that week, I actually have my content ready. But sometimes things do happen and sometimes I shoot without the sun, so I will turn on my lights that I have in the space. I also might be planning out my content on Rella, which is a content planner app. I've talked about this in my Plan With Me video, so if you haven't checked out June's Plan With Me, I'll link it up in the cards up above and down below. But that's pretty much it for the morning, and that's what I usually do here in my home office. So now I'm going to chat a little bit about my small business. It is a 30-minute drive from here, and usually Tuesdays and Thursdays we head over there at 11:30 a.m. because we do open our shop to the public from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. So usually I just work here and go straight to the office. But since today is Thursday, usually Thursday and Fridays are more chill, so we don't have to go straight to the office right away. We can actually stop by to a coffee shop, trying something new, or even have lunch outside. So today I'll be bringing you along with that. And then we'll head into the office and I'll share what I do there. I am on the floor now, but before we head out, I want to share some goodies that I received from Quince. If you haven't heard of Quince, they are a clothing brand. They also have a lot of accessories, and I'm excited for this because they are pretty affordable and they have really, really good quality products. And today I'll be unboxing some stuff with you guys and sharing what I got. So first off is the thing I am holding. This is a cardigan. I am a sucker for cardigans because they're just the perfect layering piece and they're super comfortable. And this one right here I got in a black. I'll make sure to also link everything that I got down below so you can check it out. But this is very, very cozy and I just feel like it matches me very, very well. I love how the sleeves look. It's like a little puffy kind of vibe, and I'm wearing a sweater, so this is going to be a little awkward. But if I am cold and I need this, it is super comfortable. Also has pockets, which is super important. But that's the first thing. I'll also do a little try-on haul after I share everything with you. The next thing I got were these really cute pouches. I'm a sucker for pouches, so definitely wanted to pick these up and check them out. So far, everything is pretty well packaged, and I love. So here is one of the pouches, and I believe the little one is inside. It is super pretty. It's not as structured as I imagined, but the quality you can see is very good. Inside has this nice smooth leather, and it also has a little pocket here, which I think is amazing. This would be perfect to fit your toiletries, your makeup, even both in one little bag. And this color is super pretty. It's like a taupe color. I'll make sure to link the exact color I got down below for you. And then the other one is a smaller one here. It is super cute. I would totally use this to fit all my essentials that I need when I go to work, because that's definitely something I carry all the time. So these are the two that I got. Come in a set, and I love how you can put them together so you can store them if you're not using it. Last thing is definitely my favorite, because you know, for me, I'm a sucker for bags, and when you share a new tote bag with me, I am definitely gonna grab it. So I picked this one up. This bag is only under $200 and it looks super luxury, so let me take it out to show you. Comes in a desk bag that says Quince, and everything is still wrapped really well because I haven't even opened it. It's my first unboxing with you guys. This is how it looks. I got it in this caramel color. It is super pretty. I'm gonna take out the stuffing. What I love about this tote bag is not only that it is this really nice leather, it also has a lot of pockets inside for you to fit things. You have your main zipper pocket here. Usually you would put your laptop in here, which is really big. I believe it fits up to 16-inch. Don't quote me on that. I will make sure to link it down below for you to check out. You have two side pockets here, and then you have a bigger pocket on this side. I would definitely fit my e-reader probably here, and then fit my keys and my wallet in here, and then whatever else can fit on the side, and then my laptop in the compartment. We're gonna do a little try on, and then I'm going to pack this up so we can go to the office. And thank you, Quince, for sending me these amazing things. I can't wait to use them every day. So I switched out my sweater to wear a dress because it is kind of sunny today, and if it does get cold later in the evening, which it does a lot here, I can have a cardigan to wear before I head back. But this is how the cardigan looks like. It would also look super cute with a t-shirt on, but I chose black because I do have a lot of white, and this black is actually really given. And then here's the bag that I picked out. This is the tote bag. It looks super cute. I can fit all my stuff in here, and I'm excited to be using this basically every single day. It fits in my shoulder really well, and I'm gonna pack it up and let's head to find a new coffee shop.
Love, I don't like temporary love. Wanna put all my eggs in one basket. Wanna show everyone that we lasted. Wanna go through miles and miles, yeah. Go through hell and back, yeah. Begging when you ain't beside. When I move my hands down slowly to your waist, with your body pressed against me, takes me to a different place. So just let me say one more thing. So can you take this chance? I want you, girl, grab my hand. I don't wanna be stuck in a situation. Just let me know I'm down to risk it all. I don't like temporary love. Seeing all these couples while I'm scrolling through the gram. Thomas and Zendaya, I want all of that romance. Give you what you need, not what you want. I don't like temporary love. I don't like temporary love. I don't like temporary.
Okay, so we're in the office and I'm going to share a little bit more of what I do as a small business owner. As I mentioned earlier, Tuesdays and Wednesdays are usually when the shop is open. So this is how the shop looks. We actually have another room that has all the stuff in there. But since it is Thursday, we're not open, so I don't have to open the door and turn on all the lights. Usually Thursday is a little bit more chill, doing all our orders, making sure it's ready before Friday, because Friday is usually when the mailman picks everything up and then we'll be done for the week. But today we're going to be working on our launch for next week. If you've been watching my videos, you saw that I mentioned that we are releasing our limited edition summer colors next week. It'll be released on Friday, June 14th at 10 a.m. PST. We have this beautiful color here. We finally got the name. It is going to be the Sakura Pink. It'll be available for mini happy planner and A5 cover, which is also half-letter discount. Here is a little look of the color. It's like almost like a pale pink, but more in the cooler tone in my opinion. I love it so much because this pink is like a really nice pink, and it matches our strawberry milk desk mat if you're interested. So today we'll be doing a little bit of prep for our launch for next week. Today I have to work on some photos along with stocking the shelves. And other things I normally do here is I design new products, I ship orders, I also do a lot of production work once in a while if I have time. Usually when there is downtime, which is not too often, I usually will punch inserts, I will bag things up. There's a lot that you can be doing as a small business owner. Right now I am doing it by myself and sometimes the hubby comes and help. We used to have some people helping, but the economy has been a lot slower than it used to be, so a lot of the things I'm still doing myself. I'm definitely okay with that, but let's get into some photo taking.
Fill your room up with some roses. Wanna stare in those eyes, can I stand down? Now trust me, this not just a phase. If it goes well, there might just be a wedding ring. Wanna fill your cup with some morning coffee. Wanna tell you all the promises I wanna keep. Wanna wrap my arms.
Okay, so we're in the warehouse. I'm gonna be moving all the stuff to the racks to get it ready for next week. I need to put them on and label them. So this side will be the A5 covers, and then that other side will be the mini happy planners. And yeah, so let's get it.
Temporary love, seeing all these couples while I'm scrolling through the gram. Thomas and Zendaya, I want all of that romance. Give you what you need, not what you want. Temporary love.
Okay, so that's a little bit behind the scenes. Basically what we do before we launch our new products. I'm so excited for this summer limited edition color. It's super pretty and I can't wait for you to get your hands on it. I'll make sure to link everything down below along with all the launch details so you can grab it when it's live on a Friday. But I hope you enjoyed my kind of mini day in my life as a content creator and my life as a small business owner. I do want to share with those that are in my co-working lives and want to see what I do when I'm not live or streaming. And also for those that have been watching me for a long time on YouTube, I wanted to do a little update on kind of what I've been doing a lot this year. But feel free to let me know if you have any questions about content creation, about my small business, anything you would like. Make sure to leave a comment down below, and don't forget to follow me at Life with Holly Lifestyle on Instagram and TikTok. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.